Good morning, good afternoon and good evening guys. My name is Deep Chiring Lepcha. In this video, we are going to install Windows 7 in VMware and integrate it in GNS3. Let's begin. There you can see the VMware icon. Just click on it. Here it opens up the VMware. Here you can see the ISO file of Windows 7. We're going to install it in VMware. Click on the File tab. File menu, so click on new virtual machine, typical recommended, click on next. Okay, now we're going to browse to the desktop to select this file, ISO file. Go to desktop, select the file and click on open. Here you can see, okay, click on next. Here you can type in the product key if you have got. I don't have, so I'm going to go for next. We can integrate it later on. Just click on next. Here you can see the virtual machine name. I'm going to name it Win-7. Okay, click on next. Over there you can see the hard disk size. I'm going to just take it 25 GB. It's more than enough for me. Just click on next. Here is the summary of installation information. You can customize it. I'm going to go to finish, and it's creating this for Windows 7. And see, we have created Windows 7 template within VMware. So it's starting up. It's going to copy Windows files within our virtual machine hard disk, and installation has been started. So it's loading files. Okay, just bear with me. Windows is starting up. Glowing Windows, yeah. Here you can see many service pack of Windows 7 and different categories. So I'm going to go for Windows 7 Professional Service Pack 1 x86, means 32-bit operating system. Click on next. Here you can see copying Windows files. Okay, it's gonna take a little bit, I don't know why. It takes more than maybe around 45 minutes just to install Windows. So I'm going to skip some steps, just like that. So you can see that I just paused the video and it has installed all the 4 above options. It's going to restart on its own. Don't do anything. Don't click any button. Just wait. Starting up. Alright. Completing installation. It's going to restart on its own again. Don't press anything. Don't press any button. Just be calm. Right. Starting Windows again. Here you can see setup is checking video performance. So bear with me. Preparing your desktop. So you're done. The tool has been installing for Windows VMware tools. Installation is completed. Just like that. Thanks for watching guys.